What's up guys, my name is Johnny. Thank you for joining me today for this video. Today we're going to be unboxing these Pioneer speakers. These are some three-way speakers made by Pioneer, 210 watt max, and they're 4x6s. I got these for the dash of the Chevy S10. The ones that are in there now are blown, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace them with these. I've had these for a while and I don't remember how much they were, but I did get them at Best Buy. So if you guys want to check them out, I got them at Best Buy. Today we're just gonna unbox them. That's really all we're gonna do. I'll show you guys the box here, how to install, dimensions, and again, these are some three-way speakers, guys, so they are better than the two-way. And again, we're just gonna unbox them today, guys. Specifications, parts included. All right, guys, let's get to it. All right, as soon as you slide them out the box, that's what they look like. Box is empty, so it's all in here. So I guess we have our owner's manual, instructions, limited warranty. All right, your warranty card, and then the speakers here. Kind of small in compared to your hand. In comparison to your hand. Well, again, these are 4x6. Pioneer three-way. And that's what you get, guys, inside of this Pioneer box. Three-way speakers, 210 watt max, 4x6. Again, I got these at Best Buy, but I don't remember how much they were. I've had them for a while. And I got these for the Chevy S10. We're gonna put them in the Chevy S10, guys, and I'm gonna show you guys how the way the ones that are in there now, the way they sound, and we're gonna see how these sound once they're installed. So stay tuned for that video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe.